Say hi to the camera, Dad.
You got the camera? Okay, yeah.
Got Dylan.
What up?
About to put in at Lake Windsor today. See if we can get on some bass. It's about 6 o'clock on the dot, and see what we can do. I got one. Watch out. Oh, you see him?
Yeah.
Damn. On that little crawfish. Oh, my bad. That's a good time.
That pisses me off when the first.
Yeah. I got one. Watch out.
Oh, that's nice.
There we go.
That's actually nice.
Oh, he just spit up something, guys.
That's sweet.
There we go, guys. Nice little bass. Inhale that jig. See it?
It's on me, dude.
Catch fish right here. Yeah, I got one.
Hey.
Oh yeah. Oh. Go flip.
Okay.
There we go, guys. Just fishing some brush. I threw down that guy a live scope. Saw him on the brush, and he bit it. Well, this is. Oh my. I have one on.
Oh, you hit my line.
Oh no.
Frick. Stop it, little fishy.
Bad fish.
Just grab it.
Yeah. Here, I got. Yeah, let me. Oh shoot. Nope.
I'm
Oh,
just gonna have to cut it at this point.
I can get him off. There you go. Here it comes. Go, guys. Backflip. You cast up as far as you can and forward. There you go. Catch him back.
Oh, for about 300.
Here, go to the side like this.
Got a bite. Still there.
You got one?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, that's a good one. There you go.
Hold on, buddy.
Casting that corner over there. There you go. There you go, I got fish on. Came off. Guys, he pulled off the jig.
No way.
Yeah, it's sounded no way.
Huh?
Where's that BMW? Yeah, hold on, stop. Oh. Gotta find somewhere to shade.
Yo, let's go for this kayaker.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Alright, broski. What are we do? Donuts?
Good job, man.
Well, I had a lot of fun today, but we didn't catch a daggum thing for 7 hours.
Yeah, that's pretty slow.
It's alright. I asked for it coming out here.
Yeah. Here, just down it over this. I'll see if he's here. Uh-oh. Alright guys, it's a pretty tough day today. Didn't catch a whole lot, but still had some fun. So yeah, just gonna call it a day. Hope y'all enjoyed. All right.